Forex trading is not as easy as it looks, or as easy as you might think. Indeed, there are many mistakes Forex traders make that lose money. What are these mistakes, and how can you avoid them? Let's take a look. Firstly, emotions can get the better of us. Sometimes, due to excitement or anger, we make a trade that we shouldn't. For example, what if we see the Forex charts and spot what we feel is a good setup? Rather than waiting for the right moment to enter a trade, we excitedly buy or sell the market at a time when really we shouldn't. To avoid emotions getting the better of us, there are things we can do to help. For example, we should have strict rules before we enter a trade. Secondly, we need to practice sticking to the rules we've made for ourselves. Thirdly, we should trade when we are in calm surroundings, not when we are busy or out with friends. Another mistake many Forex traders make is quickly entering trades when we've just lost or made a great trade and we are excited. Again, we need to remain calm and not get carried away with ourselves. A good way of keeping calm is to practice remaining calm in everyday life. Consciously remember to not shout out or say silly things when you're around friends and family. Maybe you are not this way already. In which case, you are already on the road to being a good Forex trader. I've mentioned this earlier, but picking the right time to trade Forex is also a key to success and avoiding losing trades. For example, how many of us, including myself, have stayed up all night, waiting for a time to enter a trade? Tired, impatient and fed up, we make the trade anyway, as it's very late at night and you have work the next day. Or how many of us have an appointment and running late already? Let's just enter the trade now, when really, we should wait some more. Well, we've all done things like this, I'm sure. But instead, we need to pick the right time for us, rather than expecting the Forex charts to fit in with our lives. So for example, we could do two things that might help. 1. Say to ourselves, I'm only going to trade between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. The rest of my time will be dedicated to family or living my life as normal. 2. We could use an expert advisor. This is automated software that will execute a trade for you once strict rules have been met on the chart. This means, no matter where you are or what you are doing, the trade will be opened automatically for you. This can be a big help and free your time. So these are just some of the mistakes Forex traders make sometimes. This can ruin your trading accounts, lose you money, and ultimately be the difference between being a successful Forex trader or a failed trader. So please practice some or all of these things, not just on the Forex charts, but even in everyday life. Put into practice. 1. Controlling your emotions. 2. Keeping calm under all situations. 3. Controlling your time, rather than never being in control of time and making mistakes. Hopefully this is helpful to you and a reminder that you can be a successful Forex trader. But it will take time and practice. We've all had to go through such a process, but it can and will be truly beneficial to you in all areas of life. Let's do this together and enjoy our Forex life.